Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Trading Off Tilt. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to be giving you guys an update on Bitcoin's Elliott wave count as I see it. So let's get right into it. First, I want to give you guys two counts that I have, one bullish and one bearish on the medium term. And so I'm going to first be showing you guys a bearish count that I have, and that would be this one right here. So that would have us completing wave A of a zigzag, where this is wave 1, this is 2, and then this is 3 through a truncated fifth wave, and this is 4 through a WXY, which is a triangle, and then a zigzag, and then another zigzag for wave Y, and then this is then back down for wave 5. So that means that currently we're in wave B, and theoretically we should come up to between the 0.382 and the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels, which would have us coming up between, let's zoom in real quick, about 42.3K and 51K-ish. Two levels that I'm looking at if we do come up for this B wave would be this order block right here, which is around 43 to 44K, and then this one right here, which is between 48 and 50K. So that would be where I would expect wave B to go, anywhere between here, like I said, here and here. So I'm just going to leave it here for now. And then C would come down theoretically to the 1-to-1 of wave A, but this is such a long correction that I would probably go onto the log scale and try to find out the Fibonacci retracement in log. So I'd go I'd check this box right here, and we should come down to, based on that, around 20K. The one thing you guys want to pay attention to is that if this is wave 1 right here, you do not want C to come past this peak of 14K, because that would mean that it overlaps wave 1. So you want it to stay above that if this is wave 1. And two areas that I would look at for C to bounce, if this is a zigzag, would be this order block right here, and this one is around 18K or 18 to 19K around, and then this one right here around 23 to 24K. So yeah, that's where I would expect C to bounce if this is a zigzag, like I said. But I just wanted to show you guys the bearish count, and this could be a wave 4, but yeah, like I said, you just don't want to come past this peak right here if this is a wave 1. So yeah, I'm gonna hide the Fibonacci tools for now and hide this count, and I'll go over a bullish count that I have. Alright, so here's the bullish count that I have. I've already shown this a couple times before, but just for those who have not seen it in my previous videos, I have a WXY, where wave W is a zigzag through A, B, C, like that, and then wave X is a triangle correction, and wave Y is an expanded flat. And yeah, I guess that's all I wanted to show you for the bullish counts and the bearish counts. But yeah, let's go over this price action right here. So I'm going to hide this and just kind of go over it with you guys and subdivide it. So as you guys probably saw, I have a leading diagonal right here, and it would look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right here, this would mean right here we'd be in a wave 2 or a wave B. So this could either be a wave 1, and we could be coming much higher, where if this is the bottom of wave 4, of the primary wave 4, we could be coming up like this, where this is 1, we'd be coming down for wave 2, up for 3, down for 4, and then up for 5. And that would have us going much higher, obviously, but this could also be a wave A of a wave B, like I mentioned earlier in this count right here. So this could simply be an A, B, C. So that's one thing to look out for. We'll have to see how wave C or 3 progresses after this correction is over. But I'm going to go a little bit more into the nitty-gritty with you guys and kind of show you what I think is going on right here, which is basically a WXY. So this would be a W for a zigzag. And this would be a wave X, like I mentioned in my previous video, right here. And currently we'd be coming down for wave Y, which I'm going to say right now is going to come a little bit higher than the 1-to-1. So I'm going to label this properly. So typically you want the wave Y to come around the 1-to-1. Sometimes it'll come to the 618 of wave W. But I think 31.5K is a very strong support level right now, which I've shown you guys. I'll show you guys right now again. We have a, first of all, a daily level around this level right here, which is 31.5 to 31.6K. Second of all, we have a golden pocket from the very low right here to the high of wave 3. So that would be right around the same area. And then second of all, or I guess third of all, we have a naked point of control, which would also be within, let's zoom in, a lot of crazy going on here, but that would actually be within this golden pocket right here. So I think if we lose 31.5K, we could have the potential to come a lot lower. This could be the incorrect count, and we could be, coming below this low. We could alternatively come to the 786. So I could just use this, the 786 or the 886, which would be around these levels right here. But I think there's not a ton of support below the golden pocket right here. So if you pull a fixed range from here to here, you really don't have a ton of volume support. You might be able to bounce right around the 786, but I think it's more likely if we do go below the golden pocket, we're probably going to take out these lows. We'll have to see, but that's my hunch right now. But yeah, I'll subdivide this just to clarify what's going on. So this is a zigzag right here, an A, B, C. This is a, let's see, this is also some sort of zigzag, I would say, for a wave X. So this would be a wave A, B, C, like that. And then right now we're coming down for another, presumably an A, B, C. So this would be probably a wave A right here. A could be here. It might come a little bit lower. We'll have to see. But let's say it's right here for now. Then we should be coming up for a wave B, somewhere around here, and then back down for a wave C. So wave Y does not have to come below this low right here. It could actually find support right above the low, right around here. But I just know there's a lot of support right around 31.5K, 31.6K, so that's where I'm putting wave Y right now, in case it gets down there. But if it were to find support right here, then we could pull a fixed range from the start to the end of the range, and the point of control would be right around 32.8K, and there's also another volume node around 32.6K around. So those are two levels to look out for if wave A does end here, because that would mean that wave A should theoretically not come below the low, should, in theory, come a little bit higher based on the 1-to-1. But I think that wave A could come a little bit lower, so let's zoom in a little bit more. So this could all be a wave 1 right here. So let's label it for you guys. This could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2. This could perhaps be a wave 3. We could be in a wave 4. And we could have yet to come down for wave 5. So this would all be I think a sub-micro or just a smaller degree. So I'm inclined to say that wave A could come, it's hard to say right now, but let's just say for simplicity's sake, right around 33K. Then let's zoom out. If it does come around there, and then let's assume B comes up to the 382. So right around here. Then in that case, the 1-to-1 of wave A, well, I guess wave C, if wave C does come to the 1-to-1 of wave A, would come below the low, and probably, my guess, probably find support around here, 31.5K, like I said. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's going to be my next longer term day trade, or swing trade even. if it does come down that low. It depends. I guess it depends how it comes down there. So for example, you do want to look at, if you have access to the order flow, you do want to preferably look at the open interest as it comes down there. If the open interest is increasing and there's an increasing amount of net shorts, then you might want to wait for more confirmation before taking the long. But that's at least what I'm looking for. No financial advice, of course. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just wanted to keep it short for you guys. And if you did, leave a like and let me know what you want to see next. Alright, take care. Bye.